Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's my Kenyan Puff, and today I'm going to be doing a review of another Kenyan brand, Harvest of Sunshine. They have a number of products in their range. It's both a hair and a skincare line. Generally, let me just blanket over the packaging. Colorful, simple. I also like the naming of their products. It's different. So, we have Mkado, Nazi, Yangu, what else? And Buyo. I like the names. They don't have a very rich fragrance. It's like at most buttery. I don't know how to describe the scent. Very, very mild. So for those who don't like heavy fragrance in their products, this is a good line. For those who love floral scents, then this line is going to disappoint you a bit. Ingredients wise, all the products are paraben, silicone, mineral oil, and formaldehyde free. So the shampoo is, it's called the Nazi Hair and Body Cleanser. So you can use it both on your hair and your body and also your face. And when it comes to the shampoo, price point, it's 500 shillings, which I think is very affordable. It's great for those who want a black soap based shampoo but don't want to do it themselves. So you can just purchase it. The ingredients are very simple. It's water, African black soap, and coconut oil. So no funny things added into it. It's just a pure African formulation. The consistency, as you can see, it's just watery. It's super duper runny. So I'd actually suggest that if you're going to use it, you probably want to put the applicator tip here or transfer a bit of it to an applicator bottle. The slip, if you've used African black soap on your hair before, then you know that it actually gives quite a bit of slip. So I noticed that when I shampooed my hair didn't tangle up or shrink up and knot up. It actually kept my hair elongated during the shampoo process, and even when I rinsed my hair out, you'll see in the clips, my hair still was elongated, which is really nice. It lathers beautifully. I wasn't able to give you guys the proper clip of when I was in the shower, but it's like I was having a bubble effectiveness. Now, African black soap has been used for ages in cleansing skin, the body, the hair. Now, the thing about African black soap is it's actually alkaline in nature. And for those who do not know, our scalp and our skin in general is on the acidic side. So it means that as much as this is a great cleanser, it could set off the balance of the pH on our scalp and our hair. So when it comes to using a cleanser like that, you want to restore your pH balance, and you can do this in one of two ways. The first way is to just use the shampoo as it is, but make sure that you will follow up with an apple cider vinegar rinse or an aloe vera spritz, just to help to bring the pH back to closer to the acidic side. Alternatively, you can actually mix this in with the ACV or with the aloe vera. Now you have to get the ratios right. So I'm going to link a video from GreenBeauty about the ratios we're supposed to be using of apple cider vinegar on our hair, so you can check that out. And then I also will link a recipe by another YouTuber who made her own black soap shampoo and added in apple cider vinegar. For me, African black soap is a clarifying agent, and I love that they also wrote that on the cover, that use this pure African formulation to cleanse your hair once a month. I would definitely use this to clarify, because it got rid of all the buildup and properly clarified my hair. For people with locks, it has been known to help fight lint buildup in locked hair. So it did its job. I have no complaints. Price point, it's good enough, and the formulation is nice and simple, straight to the point. So the only thing to note is about the pH, and to look out for that. I'll give this a 4 out of 5. It's a good cleanser, no complaint. So next up is the Mkado 3-in-1 conditioner. I hope I said it right. It's Mkado, or it can't be Mkado. Mkado 3-in-1 conditioner, moisture treatment, detangler, and co-wash. Price point, it's 1500, which is a bit pricey, but I'll get to that. When it comes to the scent, I've told you guys they all have a very mild scent. Ingredients, we have avocado oil, water, coconut oil, panthenol, honey, the preservative, and then BTMS 50, which is a mixture of butylene glycol, cetyl alcohol, which are alcohols that are not bad for your hair. They actually add sleep into products. I've talked about panthenol before, which is a derivative of vitamin B5. It's great in terms of moisture. It's a humectant. They even mention that it's a glossifier, detangler, and moisturizing agent. In terms of consistency, it's thick, very thick and creamy. And you guys know I love thick and creamy deep conditioners. When it comes to effectiveness, they say it can be used as a moisture treatment, detangler, and a co-wash. So since I don't co-wash much, I haven't tested that aspect out, but I can vouch for the moisture and the detangling. The sleep in this product is out of this world. This is one of the best deep conditioners I've ever tried. In terms of moisture, it does its job. And one thing I also noticed about this is the moisture is long lasting. My hair drinks this thing up, so it's just amazing. And when it comes to rating this product, it's only the price that would make me bring it down, but if I wasn't to consider the price, I'd definitely give it a 5. So I'll just bring it down to a 4.8 because of the price. But other than that, this is a really good deep conditioner. Everyone should try it at least once. Next up is the Yangu Mend and Restore Protein Conditioner. The price point, it's I think 1200 Kenya shillings. The other protein treatment which I use, it's AFOG, and it's around the same price, so I don't see the problem. It's a worthwhile investment. Ingredients, it has water, the BTMS 50 complex, then we have Yangu oil, avocado oil, silk amino acids, hydrolyzed oat protein, macadamia nut oil, panthenol, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, and then the preservative. It's the silk amino acids which are providing the strength because they bind to the keratin in your hair, and so they repair your hair and they strengthen it. Then we have the hydrolyzed oat protein, which moisturizes the hair and conditions the hair. When it comes to the consistency is similar to the Mikado. It's thick and creamy, but it melts so easily. Oh, you can see it's not running down, but it melts so easily into the skin. This sleep, again, a protein treatment with sleep, you guys, it's just crazy. It detangles my hair as well. I think someone with damaged, maybe color treated, high porosity hair would benefit from such a protein treatment. I feel like you can actually get away with using something like this every 2 weeks as opposed to once a month. As long as you follow up with moisture, you follow up with this for a few minutes, you're good to go. So overall rating, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Next, we have the Buyu Daily Leave-In. I'm definitely going to get the full size, so don't hate. It's 1000 shillings, which I think is fair. The ingredients has water, cetyl alcohol, baobab oil, hydrolyzed baobab protein, and behydramonium methosulfate. So I like that it has a bit of protein in it because our hair is primarily made up of protein. This thing has such great sleep, great sleep. It's a bit lighter when you compare to the deep conditioners. So for those who are used to super thick, heavy leave-in conditioners, this will be different for you, but it still gives adequate moisture. I cannot complain. This is a really good leave-in conditioner, and it's something I would highly recommend someone to try out. If you're still on the hunt for a good leave-in conditioner, you might want to try this out. Yeah, the battle is usually between these two products, if you even read the reviews. For me, the deep conditioner won, and that's why it got a higher rating. I give this one a 4.5 out of 5, but it's great and I highly recommend it. So the last product I'm reviewing is the Yangu Rich Cream. This is a rich formulation used daily for both your hair and your skin. It's 1,200 shillings. I think for a butter, of course there are much cheaper ones, but one thing I appreciate about this line is the quality. And if you have used Harvest of Sunshine, you'll definitely comment below and share your experience with them. Since also again this is used for both the hair and the skin, I wouldn't mind paying that price. As long as it's something that I love, I'm going to spend money on it. It's rich and creamy, as you can see, but it melts right into the hair and the skin. Interestingly, it has no shea butter. So it has an oil blend of coconut, avocado, yangu oil, macadamia nut oil. It has honey, emulsifying wax, and water in the preservative. Yangu oil is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, which help improve the elasticity, suppleness, condition of your skin and of your hair. When I applied it on my hair, it didn't weigh my hair down. It sealed in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner perfectly. For my body, I like that it has a very light layer. Like it forms a very light layer, so it's not too thick, and the consistency is perfect for a body butter because it applies on very smoothly. When it comes to my hair, I'll insert a picture of a twist out. It was so nice and really moisturized. When it comes to hold, the hold is not exceptional, but moisture is more important. So actually the twists I have in here are from using this tool. This is the 5th day. I haven't moisturized and my hair is just, it feels so good. It's retained moisture and it does have some hold, as you can see. Overall, it's a 4 out of 5. So as you can see, it's a really good line, impressive. Now I want to hear from you guys. Have you ever used Harvest of Sunshine products? What do you think about them? What's your favorite product? Which product would you be most excited to try? Those are the kind of things I want to hear in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you found this video helpful. Always remember that your hair is your crown and your body is a temple. Embrace it, love it, and take care of it. God bless you all. Goodbye.